Hello and welcome to another review. This time for the Lego Technic set 42090, the Getaway truck. This is a 9 plus set and it contains 128 pieces. This is the package. This is the manual. This much parts you have left if you finish the model. And this is the model. It's a pullback model, and my childs love all the pullback models existing. It has big tires and no suspension. So I got this to keep from a work friend. Thank you. And yeah, my childs play with it. I don't have to say much about it, more than it looks good and it's fun to play and it's stable as many Lego Technic sets. So please let a like here or a comment or watch another video. Bye bye!
Hubelchlotz! Hubelchlotz!